How to download Codeium on Vscode. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go here to the extensions and you're gonna have to search for Codeium. So if it doesn't pop out, that's pretty normal since the name has been changed. So search for Codeium. You'll be able to see these two options over here. Codeium Enterprise Updater. You can go ahead and install this if you want, but the one you're looking for is this one. So the Windsurf plugin. As you can see over here, it was formerly Codeium. So just go ahead and install Windsurf. So install the release version and just go ahead and press Trust Publisher and install. So it's just gonna go ahead and do all this and allow this option. So the extension Windsurf plugin. So press on allow. So just go ahead and follow with that and you would have been able to install your Codeium on Vscode. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.